Hi, my name is Megan Lenskold, and today we'll be talking about a scripted automation scenario using Python in a Google Colab notebook. Here's a scenario I chose to play out. A media analytics company wants to track news headlines daily to analyze trends in international politics and economics. Manually checking websites like NPR every day is time consuming and prone to missing updates. By using Python to automatically scrape headlines, dates, and descriptions, the company can maintain a structured dataset for analysis, reporting, and dashboards. These can inform market research, competitive analysis, or trend tracking. The key benefits here are time savings, so no need for staff to manually browse news websites. Data consistency, so every article is recorded with a clear structure, headline, date, and description. And then actionable insights. So the structured data can be fed into analytics dashboards or AI models for trend analysis. Now let's walk through the code. I'm using Google Colab with Python and Beautiful Soup for HTML parsing. So I went through and imported the necessary libraries. I used the request library to access the news and to switch to NPR News. I confirmed that the code was working. It hit 200. And then from there, I scraped the content of the news page. So I used Beautiful Soup to do this by the HTML parser. So then I tested the parse. So the parse comes up with a full view of the HTML. I'm going to clear that. Then I found all the card content. And so for NPR, this is classified as an item. So you can see that it spit out the card content. I then created a loop and then separated out by new lines. And I'm going to clear that. And then I found the headline, date, and description for each of the articles. So I did this by finding the title tag. So the title tag is the title of the article. And then teaser tag, which is actually the date and the description in one line. And then through that, I extracted the headline. And then to extract the teaser and extract it in a way that separates both the date and the description, I essentially made it so it would split off into two lines. And then when I printed the results, I actually have it so it's set to show you the headline, the date, and the description in separate lines. So you'll see as I pull this here, it lines up. It has the headline, the date, and the description. And then from there, I went and created the CSV file. So it should pull everything together as separate lines. It should be three separate columns. So now we're going to download the CSV. And we bring that up here. And we're just going to separate this all out. So this pulled directly from the NPR homepage. So this is all very current news. It is all of the articles posted today, April 7th, and one headline that was posted April 6th. And so the way that we can use this is essentially to feed this into, let's say, an AI model that can pull out sentiments, bring in a category, classify it, things of that nature. And the purpose of this would essentially be to use this, let's say, on a daily basis, just to kind of get a better sense of what the current news is. And then this could also be added directly to a larger database that carries over time. So in summary, this automation reduces manual effort, it ensures up-to-date tracking of news articles, and provides structured data for analysis. So using Python and Google Colab makes it accessible and easy to maintain. And then we can adapt the script for other websites or other types of news contents as needed. Thank you so much.